Okay, let's get back to this. Oh shit. I'm getting tired of people just tossing me and stuff, man. Every time, it's always a good commercial coming out. What the hell does beat? Some just beat. Phone. Stop it. Oh crap. Frames just hit the fan. Frames just hit the fucking fan. That was that beat. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna pause it right here. Okay, I think I fixed the frame. No, I did not. Frames dropping. Frames is dropping. You know what? I'm gonna see if I can fight through it. Man, it's so unprofessional. Look at this shit. Oh snap, it's a Transformer 3 thing. Oh my god. My frames are just fucking dropping, man. Okay, now they picking back. Oh, every time I say something, they drop again. I think I know the problem. I'll be right back.